In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Notifications and Status bar. Then tap on App Notifications, and by tapping on blue sweater next to any app, you can block all notifications from it. To switch them back on, hit the same, now grey sweaters. You can also just tap on any app available on the left, and then manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!